We know Bollywood celebrities and the efforts and struggle they take to entertain us. No doubt the glamour industry shines bright from outside, but within, it is exactly the opposite. And so, these stars deserve to be resting at times. So here we are with a few clicks of stars having light nap. You might have been seeing these glamorous faces on screen, now enjoy them off screen. Bollywood's baby Alia Bhatt is enjoying her quality time completing her remaining sleep. So adorable, isn't she? Look at Bhaijan Salman Khan. He seems so tired that he went to sleep on the sets of his film Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and why wouldn't he be resting? He has gone through so much in the past few days. This was when Sonam Kapoor was detected with swine flu on the sets of her film Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. We all remember what fun Shah Rukh had on the famous coffee show Coffee with Karan, but seems like after all his masti, a few minutes nap was necessary. Zoe Akhtar's Dil Dhadakne Do was a big hit, and undoubtedly the most entertaining element in the film was Ranveer Singh. Well, you see, here is Ranveer's picture after a tiring day of work. If not Ranveer here, is his better half Deepika Padukone, who is off to sleep. Reigning queen of Bollywood Kangana Ranaut didn't miss a chance to take a light nap at the award function. That's really funny though. Priyanka Chopra and Ranbir Kapoor's this picture seem to have been clicked during the shoot of their film Anjana Anjane. Sound sleep they are in. Aki's love for pets is visible here too, as he's found the best place to rest. Oh ho, look at Salman here. Now that's why we call him Bhaijan. No worries at all. He decided to sleep in front of media reporters. Here is Junior Bachchan tired from a hectic all-day shoot and decided to sleep in his shooting attires. This is what only Ranbir can do. He doesn't even need proper beddings to sleep. And lastly, here is Nawab of Bollywood Saif Ali Khan. Here Saif has completely forgotten of his tag Nawab of Patodi. Saif seems to be resting on a seat of a car, we suppose.